सिस्टम सिक्योरिटी के लिए हम एंटीवायरसेस, फायरवॉल्स एंड IDS जैसे टूल्स यूज करते हैं, बट वन थिंग दैट वी ऑफन इग्नोर is file and folder permissions. Well, let me explain how dangerous these misconfigured permissions can be and how you can protect yourself using this tool that I'm going to show you today, which I've built myself. अगर किसी फाइल पर 777 या 666 जैसी वर्ल्ड राइटेबल परमिशन सेट है, then any system user or even an attacker can read, modify and even execute them. And yes, it's very much serious because imagine एक script backup.sh जो डेली सिस्टम बैकअप्स के लिए रन होती है, वो स्क्रिप्ट वर्ल्ड राइटेबल हो। इफ अटैकर उसमें अपना मलिशियस कोड इंजेक्ट कर दे तो वो कोड रूट की परमिशन के साथ साइलेंटली एग्जीक्यूट होता रहेगा, और अगर उसमें एक रिवर्स शेल डाल दी जाए तो अटैकर डायरेक्टली रिमोट रूट एक्सेस गेन कर लेगा, ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वन मिसकॉन्फ़िगर्ड परमिशन। देयरफॉर करेक्ट परमिशंस कॉन्फ़िगर्ड होना एसेंशियल है सिस्टम सिक्योरिटी के लिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई क्रिएटेड दिस permission scanner tool that automatically scans for insecure permissions and fix them accordingly. And yes, ये tool सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं करता, it also have many other useful features that I'll show you further in this video. आप इसे मेरे GitHub repo से easily access कर सकते हो, and to ensure कि आपको इस tool का use करने में कोई confusion ना हो, मैंने readme file में हर एक डिटेल clearly explain की है, like how to install it, how to set up the test environment, etc. So feel free to check that out too. The link for the repo is provided in the video's description. What we'll do is, यहाँ से HTTPS वाला link, we'll copy that, we'll clone that repo onto our machine, cloning into the permission scanner, and done. Now as you can see, we've got a directory permission scanner. Let's cd into this and list the contents of the permission scanner, and here as you can see this permission audit.bash. This is our main script that identifies the misconfigured files and folders and tries to fix them. Also, inside this test env directory, I've given a script setup test environment.sh. For example, if you have a fresh OS installation, like I have this Parrot OS, it will not have any misconfigured files right now because your system is secure. So to run this tool, we'll need that directories, that misconfigured files and folders. So what this script will do is it will create this misconfigured files and directories so that we can use our tool to its full extent. We will give the executable permissions to this script chmod and +x and then setup test env.sh. Now if we run the setup test environment.sh with bash, as I click enter, as you can see, warning, this script creates insecure files and test users for demonstration purposes only, run only on disposable or test environment. Also, it has created the directory structure, everything, test environment created successfully. So if I ls again, this is the target directory. So what we'll do is we'll go one directory back and give this permission audit.bash executable permissions, and now if I run this script using the bash without any argument, we'll get the help page. Here you can see all the different flags that you can use and some more information like regarding the log files. These log files are saved under the var log permission audit. Okay, so now let's first of all see what are the permissions that are right now configured on the files and directories created. So I'm inside this world writable directory folder, and if I do the ls-al here, we can see these risky files 1.2. Risky files 2.txt, and as you can see, these are all the world writable files. So now we'll check the permission changes after we run our tool. To run this tool, we'll do bash and the script name, the target directory. So tr target in my case is permission test env. Also, this tool will by default run in dry mode. So to fix these changes, I will use the fix flag, and I can also set the custom permissions that I want to give to the files and directories found. Like if I want to give, let's say 500 permission to all the files found, I'll do file perm permission and let's just say 500, and for directories dir perm, I'll give 500, same, random, and also use the verbose flag to get the full detailed output. And when I press enter, as you can see, starting permission audit, verbose mode on, disk usage by user. It tells us the disk usage occupied by every user on the system, and these are all the world writable or risky items found. Also the audit complete log saved to this directory. What now we'll do is we'll do ls-al and check the difference in the permissions now. As I press enter, permissions are changed to 500, and this is how this tool works. It also has many other features which I want you to explore, and tell me if you think that this tool is helpful. You can DM me on Instagram, or we can also connect on LinkedIn and further work on this tool to make it more better. I'm also thinking of giving it a GUI using Python or something, so we can connect and also work on it together. Please like this video if you are watching it on YouTube, and share this video, share this project with anyone if you found this a bit interesting. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, tata, bye bye.